It's no secret that TikTok videos can go viral overnight and take your business from $0 in sales to hundreds a day or even more. In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a simple TikTok video that converts using video from AliExpress. This is super easy and will only take you about 5 minutes. Before we get into the video, if you like videos about winning products, dropshipping, Shopify themes, apps, and tutorials, do us a favor and hit that subscribe button and turn notifications on. Now, let's get into the video. Alright, so our first step is to get some video footage of the product. I'm going to use this video from AliExpress for the purpose of this example, but if you're doing this, I do recommend reaching out to the supplier first before using the video, just to make sure you don't get your video taken down for copyright violations. To save it, play the video, and then expand it. Then click these 3 dots at the top and click Save. Now open your TikTok app and upload the video you just saved. Now TikTok recommends a video length between 21 to 34 seconds, so we are going to crop ours down a little bit. To do that, click Adjust Clips. There was a part at the beginning with the shoes and the umbrella that I felt was unnecessary, so I'm going to go ahead and move this up to where I want my video to start. And then at the end, I noticed there was some text that I want to get rid of, so I'm going to move this to just before the text appears. Once you're happy, click Save. Next, we need to do a voiceover. If you do not want to use your real voice, you can use the text-to-speech option that TikTok offers. Either way, I definitely recommend adding a voiceover because TikTok says it gives you an 87% lift in conversions and a 9% lift in impressions. The voiceover is likely the most important part that you need to add to your video. It's your chance to really sell the product. To create a high-converting voiceover, write down a script on either a piece of paper or in a Google Doc. Your script should include 3 main components. 1, a hook right at the beginning to grab their attention, so something like, if your shoes stink, you need this, and then you want to expand on your hook. If you're able to highlight a pain point and offer a solution, that would be best. And the third thing you need to include is your call to action. Mine is, if you guys have shoes that you absolutely cannot get the stench out of, you have to try this, click the link in my bio to get yours. Once your script is complete, it's time to add it to your video. Click on the voiceover icon, unselect Keep Original Sound. This way, if the original video has audio or music, it will disappear, and then tap the record button to start. This might take several takes if you mess up or if the audio ends up being too long for the video. You may need to go back and adjust your script, but that's okay. Just click the undo button if you make a mistake and take your time until you've got it right. The next thing we're going to do now is turn on closed captioning because TikTok says this will give us an 80% lift in conversions and a 16% lift in impressions. Once TikTok has auto-generated your captions, listen through and edit any mistakes in the text, and then when you're finished, click Save. The last thing we're going to add is music. This is optional, but I feel that adding music just adds that little extra something that makes your video look and sound more professional. To do this, click on the sounds icon and then choose your favorite track. Then what you want to do is adjust the volume so that it's not drowning out your voiceover. Once you're happy, click Save. Alright, so here's the finished product. Unfortunately, I can't show you the actual music I used from TikTok because of copyright reasons, but here it is with a different track behind it. If your shoes stink, you need this. I thought I was going to need to throw out my favorite pair of shoes because no matter what I did, I couldn't get rid of the smell. I tried washing them, spraying them, I even used bleach, but no matter what, I couldn't get rid of the musty, sweaty smell. A friend recommended I try this product that kills the bacteria that causes these smells, and within 30 minutes of using it, you guys, I was shocked. The smell was completely gone. If you guys have shoes that you absolutely cannot get the stench out of, you have to try this. Click the link in my bio to get yours. There are a lot more things you can do and add. If you want me to go more in depth, leave me a comment down below. If this video helped you, do me a favor and give it a thumbs up, and make sure to subscribe for more videos like this.